our nation's economy and industry is so dependent upon it. You know, everything around us wouldn't exist without welding. I mean, everything from bridges to buildings to the vehicles we use, aircraft, you know, every aspect of our life, believe it or not, is touched by welding. We're always looking for ways to incorporate technology into our program. This is a very cool way to do that. I mean, we have Promethean boards, smart boards, things like that, PowerPoints, traditional things, but this was something that was almost like a hybrid of, you know, using a Promethean board, but also like a gaming system. So, you know, that's kind of what caught our interest. You know, plus this, you know, the low cost. I mean, it doesn't cost anything to operate this other than a little bit of power it uses. You don't have to have any gases or wire or resources like that. And then also it's 100% safe. I think one of the coolest features of the system, this is a little thing, is the way the gun cues you when you're doing everything right. The speed, the angle, it changes to gold. You know, it has a regular looking color, but when you're right, that gun starts glowing gold. And then, you know, everybody starts cheering whoever's welding because they're doing exactly right. And it's, you know, that's what everyone wants to do.